Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome to part 5 of chapter 2 decimal numbers. At the end of this video, students will be able to divide decimals. Prepare the following materials. Remember first how we used to divide, which was Euclidean division. Divide, then verify your answer. 253 divided by 20. Keep in mind that the first number in our division operation is called the dividend. The second number is called the divisor. Note, dividend is equal to divisor times quotient plus remainder. We are going first to arrange our dividend and our divisors. The dividend is located over here, the divisor is located over here. Now we will begin our division. Look at the divisor, it is formed out of 2 digits. Then we are going first to choose the first 2 digits of our dividend. Compare it to the divisor, it is greater than the divisor, then we could begin the division. Now we are going to ask ourselves, how many 20s does it need to get 25 or almost 25? This question is answered by the multiplication table of 20. We will get that 20 times 1 is equal to 20. 1 will be located directly above 5 since it is the answer of division of 25 by 20. Now multiply 1 by 20, we will get 20. It is time to subtract 20 out of 25. The answer will be 5. We still have a digit over here. We need to continue our division. We will bring down the 3. Now, again, how many 20s do we have to get 53 or almost 53? Again, this question will be answered in the multiplication table of 20. 20 times 2 is equal to 40. Bring the 2 and put it above the 3 since it is the answer of the division of 53 by 20. Now, 20 times 2 is 40. Time for subtraction. Our answer will be 13. Since we used the last digit in our division, we could say now that our division operation is done. 253 is our dividend, 20 is our divisor, 12, which is the answer of our division, is called the quotient, and the number that remained with us after we finished our division is called the remainder. It is time now to try and verify our division operation. We've got that 253 divided by 20 is of quotient 12 and remainder 13. Let's try to verify it now. How do we verify it? By multiplying the quotient by the divisor and then adding the remainder. We will get the dividend, which is 253. Then our division operation is verified. We have 4 steps to solve any division operation. First, we should divide. Next, we should multiply. Third, subtract. And then finally, bring down the next digit. Division operations with exact quotients. Example 1, divide 42 by 0.7. To solve this example, we are going first to get rid of the decimal point found in our divisor. To get rid of this decimal point, we should move it to the right side 1 place. To do that, we will multiply it by 10, then our divisor will become 7. The same step that we did on our divisor should be done on our dividend. Now 42 should be also multiplied by 10, it will become 420. Now our division operation will become 420 divided by 7. Let us now begin our division. Locate your dividend and your divisor. Do not forget the 4 steps that we are going to follow in order to divide. The first step will be to divide, then multiply. After that we subtract and then we move to the next digit. Let us now begin our division. We have 1 digit in our divisor. We will take the first digit over here, but 4 is not enough to divide it by 7, then we are going to take 2 digits. Now, divide 42 by 7. Of course, we know that we are going to use the help of the multiplication table of 7 in order to find out if we have a number multiplied by 7 that will give us 42 or almost 42. 7 multiplied by 6 is 42, then we will put 6 over here, multiply 7 by 6. Now subtract 42 minus 42 is 0. Move to the next digit, bring it down. Now divide 0 by 7. How many 7s do we need in order to get 0 or almost 0? The answer is 0. We do not have any 7s. Now 0 multiplied by 7 is 0. Time for subtraction. 0 minus 0 is 0. Then our quotient is 60 and we do not have any remainder. Example 2. Divide 22.55 by 2.5. In order to solve this division operation, we should first get rid of the decimal point found in our divisor. To get rid of this decimal point, we should move it one place to the right. This means it should be multiplied by 10. The divisor will become 25. The same step will be done on the dividend. It will be multiplied by 10. The dividend will become 225.5. Our division operation is now 225.5 divided by 25. Let us arrange these two numbers and begin the division. We have 2 digits over here, then we are going to begin the division by choosing the first 2 digits, but 22 is less than 25, then we are going to choose the first 3 digits. Let us now divide 225 by 25. How many 25s do we need to get 225? We know that we are going to find the answer in the multiplication table of 25. 25 multiplied by 9 is 225. Then we are going to put 9 above the 5 because it is the quotient of division of 225 by 25. Multiply 25 by 9. It is equal to 225. It is time to subtract now. 225 minus 225 is 0. Once you reach the decimal point, you directly put it up beside the quotient. Now we still have a digit. We are going to bring it down. Bring down the 5. Divide now 5 by 25. How many 25s do we need to get 5? 0. Then put 0 in the quotient above 5 and multiply 0 by 25. 0 times 25 is 0. It is time now to subtract. 5 minus 0 is 5. This is the remainder, but we are getting exact quotients. Then we shouldn't stop our division. In order to complete our division, we are going to add a useless 0 beside the 5. This will be our next digit. We will bring it down. Now we will be dividing 50 by 25. How many 25s do we need to get 50? The answer is in the multiplication table of 25. 25 times 2 is 50. Then put the 2 here up in the quotient. Now 2 times 25 is 50. It is time to subtract. 50 minus 50 is 0. Then our quotient is 9.02. Application 1. Divide 2.6 by 20. Pause the video please and solve the application. We will begin our division. we are going to choose only one digit to begin our division because we're not allowed to choose from the decimal part any of its digits from the first step. Now divide 2 by 20. How many 20s do we have in 2? We have 0. 0 times 20 is 0. Subtract 2 minus 0 is 2. Before we move to the decimal part, take the decimal point and put it up in the quotient. Bring down 6. Now 26 divided by 20 is 1. 1 times 20 is 20. Subtract. It is 6. Our division is not done yet. Add a useless 0 and bring it down. Now 60 divided by 20 is 3. 3 times 20 is 60. Subtract 60 minus 60 is 0. Our quotient is 0.13. Application 2. Divide 3.45 by 1.50. Please pause the video and solve the application. Get rid first of the decimal point in the divisor. Multiply by 100, it will become 150. Multiply also the dividend by 100, it will become 345. Our division operation is as follows. Now, please, we are going to arrange them. Divide 345 by 150, it is 2. 2 times 150 is 300. It is time to subtract now. We have 45. Our division is not done yet. Add a decimal point beside the dividend. Take it up and put it beside the quotient. Add a useless 0, bring it down. 450 now divided by 150 is 3. 3 times 150 is 450. Subtract. Our remainder is 0, then our quotient is 2.3. Our assignment is we learned today to perform division. Thank you for following.